Hello and welcome to the Central Scientific Instruments Organization, laboratory of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. My name is Shantanu Bhattacharya. I am currently coordinating this lab in capacity as director. I would like to give you a brief glimpse of what we do, what are our activities and what are our plans. This lab is a very old establishment of CSIR, started back in the late 50s. And we have had a footprint in coordinating and developing and also calibrating the scientific instrumentation for the country, attending to the strategic sector, to the medical, biomedical, as well as the avionics sector. And we also did a lot of support towards of the manufacturing sector of the country. We also are deeply into the strategic sector and in fact are responsible and have a lot of pride in claiming association with the head-up display, which is an avionics instrumentation and has gotten into most of LCA Mark 1 models. In fact, it is commented and it has come to my notice that the LCA HUD has never failed. And so with that kind of a legacy, we are on a pathway of upgrading the HUD technology to the next generation, where we are creating digital segments of the HUD, and for that CSR system has graciously supported us by planning and enabling us to host one of the most state-of-the-art facilities which can do nanofabrication of optical elements.
CSIR-CSIO has been contributing significantly to the development of key indigenous technologies that have made the nation self-reliant in the strategic domains. The head-up display for LCA Tejas Air Force has been designed and developed by CSIR-CSIO and is currently under commercial production by Bharat Electronics Limited. This system acts as an essential aid by displaying the flight information to the pilot on a curated optical platform while providing a simultaneous view of the outside scene. The expertise gained during the development of head-up display for LCA enabled CSIO to design and develop HUDs with varying opto-electromechanical parameters to suit to different cockpit geometries. Till date, head-up display for LCA Navy, head-up display for HJT-36 aircraft, and head-up display for Hawkeye aircraft has been designed, developed and supplied to different agencies for various indigenous aircraft development programs of the country. In order to support the operation of head-up display, a complete gamut of technologies including aviation cockpit display validation platform, bore sighting system, gun sights and military head-up display test platform has been developed. Bore sight system is used to align head-up displays and other related systems to ensure interchangeability within specified tolerances. CSIR-CSIO has also made a significant headway in designing, developing and qualifying LED-based night vision compatible wing and fin navigation lights as well as taxi and landing lights for LCA. Based on the success of these lights, wingtip marker lights for Dornier, anti-collision lights for LCA, lap lights for LCA, service lights, and drogue lights. These light systems have been designed to have very high MTBF and different features as per the aircraft requirement while fulfilling all the specified military standards. CSIR-CSIO has also played pivotal role in the design of helicopter visual landing aid system for P-17A class frigates. Along with it, the optical landing system has been designed in-house that helps in providing the glide scope information to the pilot while landing on the aircraft carriers. In order to bring automation into border securities, CSIO developed sensor-enabled border monitoring system. To enhance the outreach in GPS-denied areas, camera-based navigation system has been developed for providing autonomy to the unmanned systems. These indigenization of technologies has helped the country in saving huge forex and reduces our dependence on foreign vendors.
CSIO today is close to 450 plus manpower with the strength of about 90 plus scientists. All of them are distinguished and their achievements. I would like to also apprise you of the plans that CSIO has for the forthcoming years. In fact, there is a vision 2030 of the CSIR, and we in a way are aligned to fulfill that vision. We are into space currently related to assistive technologies. There was a recent memorandum of understanding signed with artificial limb manufacturing company, which is the only one of its kind disability company catering to this sector, and it is a mini Navratna company under the ministry, the Department of Empowerment of People with Disability.
CSIO has made significant strides in biomedical instrumentation technologies. In the battle against airborne transmission, crowded indoor spaces pose a significant risk. UVC air duct disinfection system showcases a breakthrough solution for combating airborne transmission in crowded indoor spaces. With its retrofittable unit for existing HVAC air ducts, the system effectively inactivates the COVID-19 virus through airstream disinfection, making it a vital addition to various establishments like auditoriums, hospitals, and transportation vehicles. The additive manufactured pelvis revision surgery implants offer a cutting-edge solution for hip revision surgeries. These implants, crafted from biocompatible alloys, mimic the structure of human bone, ensuring seamless integration into the host bone and improving the biomechanical movements. The work extends to address the treatment of avascular necrosis of the femoral head, which allows cannulation and targeted delivery of bone marrow concentrate to the affected site, serving as a crucial remedy for stages I and II osteonecrosis of the femoral head. Compartment syndrome is a serious medical condition that occurs when there is increased pressure within a closed anatomical compartment, leading to reduced blood flow and potential tissue damage. Timely diagnosis is crucial to prevent permanent muscle and nerve damage, loss of limb function, or even limb amputation. In India, clinicians primarily rely on physical examinations. To address this gap, CSIR-CSIO has developed a diagnosis system that measures compartmental pressure and offers advanced functionalities. CSIO has also developed an oxygen optimizer to ensure efficient usage of medical oxygen, thereby leading to preservation of up to 50% of stored oxygen. The plasmonic photothermal sterilization device developed by CSIO utilizes the interaction of AM waves and nanoparticles to effectively eliminate hospital-borne pathogens. The robotic gait trainer has been designed and developed for the rehabilitation of spinal cord injury patients, which offers advanced lower limb locomotion therapy, improves functional ability, and enables a dedicated approach to gait training. The Care Lab introduces the transformative field of virtual reality-based rehabilitation to provide innovative solutions for patients with neuromotor impairments. This technology enhances extremity movements, cognitive functioning, and overall well-being of the patients. Chronic kidney disease occurs when the kidneys are damaged and can no longer filter blood properly. CSIO has developed an indigenous dialysis system that leads to significant cost reduction. Dental scan and dental apex locator are the key innovation in orthodontal care. Vein visualizer, multifunctional robotic cart are some of the latest ventures and are finding their way to industry. From advanced implants to cutting-edge diagnosis and sterilization solutions, CSIR-CSIO achievements hold tremendous promise for enhancing patient care and improving overall well-being.
We are planning to build a center which will, one of its kind presence with a clinical outcome as well as technology development around this topic of assistive aids. We are also into a lot of activities related to indigenization efforts for the industrial pathway of the country, where we do indigenous machine development, and also are planning to soon have a presence in the semicon ecosystem.
CSIR-CSIO, the Central Scientific Instruments Organization, has made significant contributions to the societal sector through the development of various technologies. One of their significant contributions is the earthquake warning system. The system consists of seismic sensing nodes that communicate with a central server, which disseminates alerts through audio-visual means, email, and SMS. The system is successfully installed at Delhi Metro to raise an early warning alarm for evacuating the site for passenger safety. One more application is for intelligent elephant movement detection and alert system for railways. In the agricultural and environmental domain, CSIR-CSIO has developed a range of electrostatic technologies. One notable development is the electrostatic pesticide sprayer, designed for small-scale farms in India. This low-cost spraying system utilizes induction charging to apply a significant charge on droplets, ensuring uniform deposition on crop surfaces. By reducing pesticide usage, it minimizes health risks and effectively controls pests. The spraying technology also improves the shelf life, nutritional value, and sensory attributes of perishable food commodities like fruits and vegetables. Another offshoot of the electrostatic technology developed is the dust mitigation and smog control device, which suppresses dust particles generated during the handling of coal, cement, construction debris and pollutants of size PM10 and PM2.5. Further, for indoor air purification, CSIR-CSIO has developed a wearable device called WeTreat, which combines multiple filter technologies and ensures the deactivation of harmful pathogens. The iodine value in fats and oils is a crucial parameter indicating the degree of its unsaturation. In this direction, CSIR-CSIO has developed a low-cost portable iodine value analyzer that has been approved by FSSAI as a rapid food testing kit. This technology is suitable for oil extraction units, quality control labs, food regulatory authorities, and various industries related to oils, fats, and biodiesel production. CSIO has worked extensively on instrumentation related to sensory technologies and established its expertise on process development for taste and smell analysis, providing consulting services to major entities including Tata Consumer Products Limited, Flavor and Fragrance Development Center. The expertise of CSIR-CSIO extends to potable water quality analysis, wherein innovative monitoring systems for parameters such as nitrate, fluoride, residual chlorine, and turbidity have been developed under the Jal Jeevan mission of Government of India. India is one of the largest producer and exporter of rice in the world. Hence, the quality of rice is one of the major concerns and its dimension is an important indicator. In this direction, CSIO has developed a rice grain analysis software for quick and efficient dimensional analysis of rice grains through image processing. This software is a reliable alternative to manual analysis. CSIR-CSIO has developed a portable pesticide detection kit for on-site use. This kit consists of test and control strips that detect the presence of pesticide through a biochemical reaction, providing a cost-effective and accessible solution for pesticide detection. These innovations have the potential to bring about positive societal impact by improving agricultural efficiency, reducing chemical usage, minimizing pollution, ensuring safe water and food, and protecting biodiversity. CSIO is a multidisciplinary organization having well-equipped laboratories in the domain of analytical instrumentation, mechanical designing, electronic designing, manned by highly qualified and well-trained staff. CSIO Analytical Facility has been conceptualized as a central facility for providing various analytical services. The center houses various sophisticated instruments such as Raman spectrophotometer, FTIR spectrophotometer, UV visible NIR spectrophotometer, X-ray diffractometry, gas chromatography, high-performance liquid chromatography, electronic tongue, near spectrophotometer, drop shape analyzer, plasma treatment system and many more. Apart from the various groups of CSIR-CSIO, CAF seamlessly provides technical services to other government and private universities, research and development organizations and industries situated across the country.
In fact, we house a school called the Indo-Swiss Training Center, which was built way back in the 60s, and it's one of the flagship diploma programs for the country, supplying manpower, relevant manpower into manufacturing industries and also mechatronics businesses.
Mechanical Design and Fab Facility is engaged in mechanical designing, fabrication, mechanical and optical metrology related work for various R&D activities. The team has expertise in rapid prototyping for plastic and metallic components, fabrication and assembly of optical as well as mechanical components, grinding and polishing of metals and optical materials. Facility includes electric discharge machining, laser machining, CNC vertical machining, mechanical and optical metrology, 3D scanning of components, ball milling, tool and cutter grinding and many more. The center is capable of making measurements for surface roughness and surface profiles, tensile and compressive strength measurements, coordinate and contour measurements for mechanical and optical components, wear and hardness testing etc. Electronic Design and Fab Facility is involved in designing, fabrication and modification of analog and digital circuits catering to diverse requirements, ensuring innovative solutions for complex challenges. EDF offers PCB designing services, PCB fabrication, PCB modification, PCB assembly. The thin film coating facility houses several sophisticated vacuum deposition systems such as ion-assisted dual A-beam gun system, RF sputtering system, thermal evaporation system. Apart from these coating systems, the laboratory also has various thin film measurement tools such as UV-Vis NIR spectrophotometer, FTIR spectrophotometer, ellipsometer to name a few. CSIR-CSIO has an AICTA-approved Indo-Swiss training center for imparting skill-oriented training. ISTC was established in the year 1963 in collaboration with the Swiss Foundation for Technical Assistance, Switzerland. Since its inception, the center has come a long way and made its presence felt at the regional and the national level. The center has interdisciplinary programs in tune with global trends in skill-based technical education. Practical exposure is given on bench work with lathe machines, milling machines, drilling machines and tool grinding. Advanced diploma in die and mold making executes the industrial project work on injection molding and press tools. The students use advanced machines like CNC turning, vertical machining center, electric discharge machines, wire ADM, jig grinding and jig boring for manufacturing of the press tools and injection molds. ISTC is also providing advanced diploma in mechatronics and industrial automation which equips the students with all kinds of industry automation techniques. ACSIR, Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research was established in 2012 by an Act of Parliament as an institution of national importance. The ACSIR-CSIO Chandigarh campus offers courses in PhD in Sciences, PhD in Engineering, Integrated Dual Degree PhD program and M.Tech in Advanced Instrumentation Engineering. CSIR-CSIO also caters to the training needs of the undergraduates, graduates and postgraduates by imparting them R&D exposure on the cutting-edge projects of the organization. Carrying the long legacy of the establishment, CSIR-CSIO has gracefully extended its hands to the industry, academic institute and various other sectors of the society contributing to the overall growth of the country.
Through something called assembly testing marking packaging facility which we are planning to build at CSIO. I would again like to formally welcome you to our lab and hope that we associate and collaborate deeply in the near future.